This service is being provided here as a part of restructure Accelerated Power Development Program (RAPDRP) as project of the Government of India, Ministry of Power for the sustainable development of power sector in India.
This day is a historic day for this particular department. After taking over this particular department, I myself tried so many things. We have been succeeded in so many good things. This particular opening of website will support the total department, population of Goa, the total youth, consumers of Goa. They will also get information what are required. I believe the complicated and the most dangerous department I can say. Where in at least Goa, 5 minutes of no supply, you can hear so many things from people. But then also, this particular department people, everybody I should appreciate, they work hard and expectation is more from these people because this is the department where everything starts. And I website is open kela. Therefore, that also we require power first and then website will run. It is like that.
We are launching our power department website for the larger use of the public. Friends, as you see, in today's world, IT is the most important thing to connect our lives. And IT is also enabled by the power. So if there is no power, there can't be any IT. And to connect IT, public, and our department, it was the website which was lacking. In fact, in power department, we felt that we should have a comprehensive dialogue with the public through online media, not only as through website, but also through the Facebook page. In fact, it's a wonderful opportunity and it's a really great day for the power department